Castañeda pass to Mirabel, fair to shoot, hit the ball, there's the foul. It's a pass to jersey number 15, Australia, drive, shot, no good, but there's a foul. Shot, wala pa rin. Nakuha ng Malasas, shot inside, may good to by Milabao. Running Milabao, it's a 4-2 situation. Milabao drive, no good to by Dalusum, nagmamadali, Dalusum. Spin, sorry by Milabao. Inside pass to Caral. Marquot, wala pa rin. Caral. An offensive pass to Castañeda making good, Castañeda. Pass to... It's a loose ball. Setting the table is number 12, drive, pass to Gamag fits, Gamag making space, Gamag. Castañeda gawin ng bola, Castañeda kali, Torre, jumper, lembut terbagai, Gamag gawin ng bola, Gamag, nagmamadali. Gamag, bitaw ang bola ng kuha ni Castañeda. Into sa foul. Gamag. 18 to shoot. Pass to jersey number 12, Paniel, Dalutung, making smoke. 10 to shoot. Dalutung, spin, shot. No good. There's a foul. Jersey number 4, pushing. Pass to Malasat inside, pass to jersey number 5. Gamag. That's by Torrio. Nakuha ka rin ni Gamag. Gamag jumping. No good. Ball by Castañeda. Nagagawan ng buko. Torrio pass to Milabao. 17 to shoot. Milabao making smoke. That's all by jersey number. Gamag drop pass to Malasat. Milabao jumper. Masyadong lakas. Nagagawan ng buko. Nakuha ni Macalufi. Ramos, no good. Number 6, balls to Malasap, running Malasap, drive the basket. Easy up, that's no good. Kuha ni Macalufi, balls to Malasap. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Corpus to Milabao. Torrio ngayon ang bola, 18 to shoot. Castañeda, spin, shot, good for 2. Remaining time, 47 seconds. Gamag, pass to Paniel, 2. That's the foul. 13 seconds. Good for 2. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Yan ang bola, Flores, grabs the basket. Liap is good for 2.
Nagtiman engineering, kalkalpas na di bangir.
Torazo, making shoes, Torazo. And our Milabao pass to Flores inside pass to Castañeda, short jumper, good for 2. Almost stolen, nakuha ni number 13. Maramag, drive, block by Torrio. Flores ngayon ang bola. Number 13, pass to Gamag. Nagagawan ng buko, nakuha pa rin Maramag, inside pass, magandang pasa ni Pringles. Pero nasutan ni Torrio. Number 11, Marzak. Castañeda, pass to Flores, making smooth, using the screen of Torrio. Flores. Castañeda, drive, shot, no good. 3-point. Lugbi, madali, Lugbi ngayon ang bola. Lugbi, goal sa winter basket. Easy up. Masyadong malakas. Nagagawan ng buko. It's a jump ball. Castañeda, off to Milabao. 8 to shoot. Torrio. Good for 2. Galutun nga rin ang bola, Galutun pass to Gamag, jumper, that's it. Rebound by Galutun pass to Gamag, drive, shot, no good. Galutun, 30 to shoot. Banyel, pass, number 8, wala pa rin. 10 to shoot, Banyel.
Wala ta.
27 seconds. Milabaw, pass to Castañeda to Lugui, second play for Magalaya, Lugui spins, back to basket, shot! Good for 2. Castañeda pass to Lugui, looking for a receiver. 13 to shoot. Terrio, right shot, no good. Gambay Makalupi ko ng bola para sa Gamag. 18 to shoot. Third, no good. Sumabay, number 11, wala pa rin. Mirabaw, pasok Castañeda to Lugui drive, and a basket count. Gamag kayo ng bola. Gamag, ball to the basket. Yung sirap, no good, sumabay Gamag, short jumper, wala pa rin, number 7, block by Torrio. Castañeda, Milabaw to Lugui, Milabaw. No good, sumabay Castañeda, wala pa rin, nagagawin ng puko. Nakuha ni Banyel. Kuha ni Flores to the ball, Flores pass to Castañeda. Nice find by Flores. Gamag ngayon ang bola, 9 to shoot. Gamag making throw, 5 to shoot. Torrio, pass to Marcut number 12, pass to Milabaw, pass to Carao, spins, and an offensive foul. Banyel, pass to Gamag, jumper, that shot, run by jersey number 6, good for 2. Remaining time. Ang bola, Milabaw, using the screen of Duran, Milabaw. Got pass to Flores, attempts from 3. Flores, 3 points. Banyel, dribbling the ball, Banyel, ball to the basket, Flutter, no good, rebound by Flores, nagmamadali, the 4-people situation, Milabaw, as to Flores, inside pass to Milabaw, wala, Marco, good for 2. Bailaren shot, no good, rebound by Torrio powers to Flores ngayon ang bola. Pass to Milabaw. Good drive, good for 2. Galutun, pass to no good, rebound by Flores ka na bola, nagmamadali, Flores pass to Duran to Marcut, spin.
Oh, nice spin move.
No good. Nagagalan ng put na nakuha ni Jersey 15. Pass to Torazo nagmamadali, Torazo drives layup, and there's a foul. Castañeda ngayon ang bola. Dito na plug mo ka na, pass to Milabaw, the playmaker. Pass to Marcut to Milabaw to Castañeda, drive direct from 3, Castañeda, 3. Good for 2 by jersey number 15. Milabaw ngayon ang bola, Milabaw pass to Marcut, save the play. Duran to Marcut to Castañeda, Elijah for 3. That's time short. And there's jersey number 15. Marawak, pass to number 15. Torazo making shot, Take away shot, no good, rebound by Estrella, inside, good for 2. Castañeda, pass to Milabaw. Minabaw ngayon ang bola, Minabaw. Kuha ni Duran shot. No good. 1 minute and 16 seconds. 12 seconds shot clock. Ramos, pass to Duran.
Nice pass.
No good, sumambay. Jersey number 15. Balutong laban sa Torazo. No good. Number 12 na bola, number 12 palsu, Castañeda to Minabaw spin. Nagparsu Duran, nagagawan ng puko, nakuha ni Castañeda. Good for 2. 50 seconds. Torazo, good for 2. 47. To Minabaw looking for receiver. Taking the play for Makanaya, Minabaw. 10 to shoot. As to Ramos, drive, shot. That shot, rebound by jersey number 13. 22 seconds. Maramag. And there's a shot. 18 seconds. 18 seconds. 15 seconds. 12 seconds. 9 seconds. Castañeda más Ramos. Found by Castañeda pass to Duran to Castañeda. Serrano ngayon bola, Serrano pass to Marcut to Serrano. 12 to shoot. Marcut, pass to Palurin, spin shot. No good, rebound by Marcut. 5 to shoot. Gambak ngayon ang bola. Gambak, making spin, Gambak. Dapat jersey number 15, Busser 2. Estrella. Marcut, pass to Serrano, setting a play for Makanaya. 6 to shoot. Serrano shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 8, pass to Malazar. Good for 2. To Marcut to Castañeda. 16 to shoot. Dress to shoot. Marcut jumper. No good. Here's a foul. Gamak making swim. Gamak pass to Gamak. Jumper. Gamak. 3-point. Marcut pass to Duran drive. It's delivered by Flores left pass to Castañeda. It's stolen by number 5, Gamak ngayon ang bola, Gamak. It's a loose ball. Number 13, Serrano pass to Palurin to Torrio. That's a basket, layup, good for 2. Gamak drive.
Oh, nice pass.
Marasap, wala. Rebound by Palurin ngayon ang bola, At it's all by nagagawa ng puko na kuha ni Castañeda. As to Serrano, dapat si Flores to Palurin. Good for 2. Daniel, says the before the time. Daniel ngayon ang bola, pass to no good, Malasag with the putback. Dadala ng bola, Serrano pass to Palurin. Spin, shot. Good for 2. Back-to-back points by Palurin. Torazo. Jumper. No good, rebound by Palurin long pass to Castañeda, but stolen by Juice 15. Estrella drive. And this Ludwig drive, play up. Good for 2. Torazo pass to Maramak ngayon ang bola, Running Maramak making shoot. Good for 2. Inilusyon, Torado, layup, Torrio. Nakuha ni Flores. Flores ka ng bola, Flores pass to Milabaw. About 3v2 situation, Milabaw. Bakalusi, pass to Australia. That's the end of Milabaw, Milabaw na ng bola, Milabaw, lays it up. Easy. Maramat. Dadalawang bola, Maramat. Maramat ngayon ang bola, Maramat. Spin, that's all by Milabaw. Milabaw pass. Milabaw. Castaneda with the 2. Number 6. As to number 7. Jumper. No good. Maramat with the 2. Remaining time 50 and 10 seconds. Milabaw, pass to Castaneda. Standard pa ng bola. Pass to Flores. Flores, lines it up front three. No good from Torrio. Flores, pass to Torrio. Torrio, inside shot. No good. Number 7, Flores. Nakuha ni Milabaw pass to Flores. Flores here to back Flores. Long pass to Barao. Barao, inside. Barao, shot. That's blocked. Barao, drop pass to the B. Shot, no good. Estrella ngayon ang bola. Estrella pass to Gamas. Lines it up front wing, no good. Rebound by Barao. Barao pass to Lupi to Milabaw. Good for 2. Remaining time 3 minutes. Number 6, good for 2. Lugri ngayon ang bola, Lugri pass to Milabaw, pass to Torrio. 9 to shoot. Lugri at in front 3, that shot, Barao, inside. With a foot back. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 23 seconds. Flores, inside pass to Milabaw, good for 2. Maramat. Australia. The 7, there's a foul. Paniel, ball to the basket, shot, good for 2. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Valyurin, drive, and there's a foul. Official score 82-60. Ramos with the 2. Last 1 minute. Serrano. 42 seconds. 14 to shoot. Serrano at the front wing, no good. That's 26 seconds. Seconds. That's the end of the ball game.